Why TSA quietly pulls some passengers aside and how to avoid it. We have all been there. You're shuffling through the airport security line, doing the classic post-security waddle while trying to hold up your beltless pants with one hand and balance a plastic bin of loose coins and shoes in the other. You feel completely ridiculous, but you're comforted by the fact that everyone around you is enduring the exact same minor humiliation. You step through the advanced imaging technology scanner, strike the mandatory hands in the air like you just don't care pose, and wait for the all clear. But instead of a green light, a TSA officer catches your eye, gives a subtle nod toward a cordoned off area, and says those dreaded, polite words, "Step over here for me, please." Suddenly, your heart drops into your socks. Your internal monologue goes into absolute overdrive. Did I accidentally pack a medieval mace? Is my moisturizing lotion secretly a hazard? Why is everyone in line staring at me like I'm an international fugitive? Being quietly pulled aside for secondary screening is one of the most stressful, anxiety-inducing experiences a traveler can face. But here's the inside scoop. It is rarely personal, and it is almost never because they think you're a criminal. The Transportation Security Administration operates on a complex matrix of algorithms, physical cues, and technological tripwires. If you want to stop being the person who always gets picked for a random luggage biopsy, it's time to understand the hidden science behind the quiet pull-aside and how you can modify your travel habits to slide right through. Number 1. The dreaded 4 letters on your boarding pass. Sometimes your fate is sealed long before you even step inside the airport terminal. The absolute gold standard of being quietly pulled aside is triggered by a printout on your physical or digital boarding pass, the infamous SSSS. What it stands for? Secondary Security Screening Selection. If these 4 letters are stamped on your ticket, you are guaranteed a comprehensive front-to-back, top-to-bottom security review. Your carry-on bags will be opened and hand-searched, your electronics will be wiped down with explosive residue, and you'll receive a thorough pat-down. Why did you get it? The SSSS tag is generated automatically by the Secure Flight System, a risk-based passenger pre-screening program. While some selections are completely random, the computer algorithm heavily flags specific booking anomalies. Buying a one-way international ticket at the very last minute, paying for an expensive international flight entirely in cash, traveling to, from, or through high-risk destinations or countries that do not match your typical travel footprint. Number 2, the Spot program and your guilty-looking face. Did you know that TSA officers are actively reading your face while you're standing in line complaining about the price of airport bottled water? Under a program historically known as Spot, screening of passengers by observation techniques, specially trained behavior detection officers monitor crowds for involuntary physiological responses to stress. The irony here is beautiful. The more terrified you are of being pulled aside, the more your body language will cause you to get pulled aside. The triggers, BDOs are trained to look for clusters of specific behaviors, things like excessive sweating when the terminal is cool, rapid blinking, constantly touching or adjusting your face or neck, pacing, or repeating certain frantic clearing gestures. The innocent blunder? Whistling to look natural or refusing to make eye contact with security personnel actually makes you look like a cartoon villain trying to sneak past a guard. The fix? Take a deep breath. Remember that the security line is a routine processing zone, not an interrogation. Keep your hands relaxed, maintain normal eye contact, and chat calmly if you're traveling with a companion. 3. The Cluttered X-ray Shadow. Your carry-on luggage might look completely innocent to the naked eye, but under the harsh hues of the X-ray machine, it can look like an absolute nightmare. When the X-ray scanner encounters an area it simply cannot see through, the operator has no choice but to pull the bag and you out of the mainstream for a manual look. Dense object layer plus cables or wires equals opaque blunder that leads to a manual bag pull. Seniors and business travelers frequently fall into this trap by packing dense, heavy items close together. The organic mass problem. Large blocks of dense organic material look identical to explosive compounds on an X-ray screen. What is a common dense organic material? A massive slab of chocolate, a brick of hard cheese, or a tightly packed bag of premium ground coffee. The cable nest. Coiling your phone charger, laptop cord, e-reader wire, and external battery pack into a tight, tangled ball directly on top of your books or cosmetics creates an impenetrable web. To the scanner, it looks like a complex circuit. 4. The 2026 biometric and facial recognition glitch. As airports globally phase in more advanced biometric identity verification systems, your face is increasingly becoming your boarding pass. While this technology is designed to speed things up, it has created a whole new category of quiet pull-asides due to tech mismatches. The mirror identity crisis. If your passport or state ID photo was taken 10 years ago when you had a full head of hair, no beard, and different glasses, the advanced biometric cameras at the checkpoint might flag an identity mismatch score. The environmental interference. Wearing a low-hanging baseball cap, oversized polarized sunglasses, or large over-ear headphones while stepping up to the document check podium will disrupt the camera's ability to map your facial landmarks accurately. When the computer says no match, human protocol dictates you step aside for manual verification. Your definitive stay out of the sidelines strategy. Avoiding the secondary screening line isn't about magic, it's about eliminating the friction points that trigger the TSA's automated and manual alarm systems. Use this checklist to design a frictionless checkpoint strategy. Security element, the common mistake, the seamless adjustment. Powders and spices, keeping large protein tubs or coffee bags inside the suitcase. Place any powder-like substances over 12 ounces, 350 milliliters, in a separate bin. Footwear selection, wearing high-top boots with heavy metal lace eyelets. Wear simple slip-on shoes and save the laces for your destination. Electronics layout, leaving a tablet, laptop, and Nintendo Switch stacked together. Spread large electronic devices flat across multiple bins so they don't overlap. Physical stature. Slouching, hiding behind a scarf, looking at the floor. Stand tall. Remove headwear or glasses at the podium and act natural. Advanced tips for a flawless passage. Invest in trusted traveler programs. If you travel even 2 or 3 times a year, signing up for programs like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry is the ultimate shield. Because you have already undergone a background check and fingerprinting, your baseline risk score is incredibly low. You get to leave your shoes on, keep your laptop in your bag, and avoid the vast majority of random screening triggers. The 3-1-1 separation mastery. Do not just toss your clear liquids bag deep into your backpack. Keep it in an outside pocket so that if an agent asks to inspect it, you can hand it over instantly without unzipping your entire life onto the metal table. Clear the pockets fully. A single overlooked metallic gum wrapper, a forgotten foil-lined receipt, or a loose key card left in your back pocket will trigger the body scanner body map. Once that machine lights up red, a physical pat-down of that specific zone is mandatory. Empty everything into your jacket pocket or carry-on bag before you step up.
At the end of the day, being pulled aside by the TSA isn't a reflection of your character. It's just a sign that a machine or an algorithm found something it couldn't quite decipher in 3 seconds flat. By understanding how the airport security apparatus sees the world, you can pack smarter, dress wiser, and carry yourself with the calm confidence of a true international jet-setter. The next time you head to the terminal, you won't just survive the security line, you'll conquer it. Safe travels, keep your bags organized, and may your boarding passes always be completely free of extra letters. Have you ever been pulled aside for a completely ridiculous reason? What is the strangest item that has ever triggered a bag search for you? Share your airport survival stories, wins, and failures in the comments down below. If you want to transform your travel game and breeze through your next trip like an absolute pro, make sure to smash that like button and share this guide with your favorite travel companions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly deep dives into travel hacks, packing blueprints, and consumer insider secrets. We will see you at the gate.